By 2047, India will be one of the world's largest aging populations. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are rising rapidly, yet early diagnosis and effective treatments remain limited. The question is, can we detect and intervene before it's too late? At the heart of these diseases lies a microscopic problem: protein misfolding. Protein like alpha-synuclein, essential for normal brain function, can misfold, aggregate and form toxic structures called amyloids. These aggregates destroy neurons, leading to loss of momentum, memory and cognition. But what triggers this transformation, and can we stop it before damage begins?
My research lab mostly working on that how protein misfold and aggregates associated with various human neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
A chemist by training, Professor Maji completed his Masters from the University of Calcutta and PhD from Indian Association of Cultivation of Science. His global research journey spans Harvard Medical School, UCLA, Salk Institute and ETH Zurich.
I was very fascinated about that how prion amyloid can be infectious. So as you know that protein don't have a life, but still they work like a infectious agent like bacteria and virus. I was so fascinated. So I want to study the prion biology as well as amyloid, how it works for the Alzheimer's and Parkinson.
At IIT Bombay, Professor Maji's lab has made pioneering discoveries.
Recently, we discovered that actually that before forming amyloid fibers, these proteins make liquid-like droplet. As you know that when oil from a droplet in water, they have a liquid-like property. So we are able to discover that alpha-synuclein proteins form liquid-like tiny droplet, and that droplet diffuse and make bigger size droplet, and that droplet eventually solid and make amyloid fibers.
The lab also explores protein aggregation in cancer, biomaterials for tissue engineering, drug delivery and early diagnostic tools, including a potential blood test for Parkinson's. Professor Maji's work has been recognized with numerous prestigious awards, including the J.C. Bose Fellowship and Sastra Award for Life Sciences. He has also received fellowships from major Indian science academies and international bodies. He is a recipient of IIT Bombay Excellence in Teaching Award, reflecting his commitment to both research and education among others. His contribution continues to shape the field of neurodegenerative research and aging studies.
Professor Maji does not train us as a researcher, but he also trains us to become a good problem solver.
The trainings given by Professor Maji reminds us that science should not stop only at publication, rather it should go towards patient impact for the welfare of the people.
So our lab kind of working on in the interface of biology, physics, engineering to solve some of the important problems for detecting various neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
A vibrant collaborative ecosystem driving meaningful science to scale this impact, IIT Bombay has established the Sunita Sanghi Centre for Aging and Neurodegenerative Diseases. Established in 2022, the centre builds on larger vision for advancing research in this critical space. This vision was made possible through the support of our distinguished alumnus Sharad Sanghi.
The center is looking at the cutting-edge research. For example, we are developing that small devices, assistive technologies, also policy studies and health economics. So from the multidisciplinary studies at the Scan Center, we are building a team so that it can be huge helpful for the future in India for growing aging society. Such kind of support from our alumni can make a significant effort, at least from the IIT Bombay part, so that IIT Bombay can build excellent research infrastructure, and so that we can contribute to the society for the future.
Supported by alumni philanthropy, the center represents a powerful model of research translating into societal impact. The support from Anusandhan National Research Foundation has given this research greater momentum.
We are going to study also that how environmental factors such as environmental toxin like rotenone and cellular toxin like dopamines can impact hair separation. I think that is very important to understand so that in future alpha-synuclein aggregation can be a drug target. On behalf of IIT Bombay, I would like to thank Anusandhan National Research Foundation for this generous support, and I think this will significantly help us for future healthy aging as well as nation building of India.
As India moves forward, it also becomes home to one of the world's largest aging populations, making this research increasingly significant for the future of healthcare and quality of life.